was nothing to generally manage. They kind of put a pen on my paper. Like, if you're offered a seat on a rocket ship, you don't ask what seat. Get on the rocket ship. And I did.
The rocket ship took off into the stratosphere, and Sheryl Sandberg had a key role building Google into the more than $250 billion business it is today. In 2008, Facebook's founder, Mark Zuckerberg, needed someone to help him run his social network. He offered her the job. What happened next is an example of where Sandberg says women often go wrong. She almost accepted the offer without any negotiating. Her husband, Dave Goldberg, stepped in.
And my husband was like, are you kidding? You can't take the first offer. I'm like, well, it's a generous offer, and I really want this job. And finally, we stayed there. My brother-in-law Mark looked at me and goes, God damn it, Sheryl, don't make less than any man would make doing this job. There is no man taking this job who would take the first offer.
And Dave, what did you think when she said, I'm going to just go ahead and accept it?
Oh, I have a flat you're going to be running all the negotiations and deals. Like, you can't just take the first offer. It'll look bad. Not because the money matters so much, but it was the principle. I wanted Mark to really feel he stretched to get Sheryl because she was worth it. Well, let's get the thing for the board ready.
Dave Goldberg knows a thing or two about closing a deal. He's already sold one internet company to Yahoo and is now running what looks like another big success. He embodies one more piece of advice his wife has for women who want to succeed, but it has less to do with the boardroom than the bedroom.
Everyone knows marriage is the biggest personal decision you make, but it's the biggest career decision you make. If you're going to have a life partner, who that partner's going to be.
Well, that just puts more pressure on women.
There's more pressure on women to, if they marry or partner with someone, to partner with the right person. Because you cannot